It's time to redefine what it means to have it all. It's time for you to have expansive outdoor living with a tranquil modern interior made for entertaining. It's time for you to have quick getaways or extended voyages. It's time for you to meet the Cruisers Yachts 50 Fly. Designed for those who crave sophistication, the 50 Fly delivers expansive outdoor living, a sleek modern interior, and the versatility to go from weekend escapes to extended voyages with ease. It's where style, comfort, and intelligent design come together to expand your horizons. With a nearly 16-foot beam, the 50 Fly feels a class larger inside, offering impressive volume and comforts. As the only 50-foot flybridge yacht in its segment designed and built in the US, it proudly reflects Cruisers Yachts' leadership in American craftsmanship. At the stern, intuitive design brings the water within effortless reach. The hydraulic swim platform and abundant transom storage make room for everything, from water toys to weekend essentials. And with the power shade and dual-side boarding, the cockpit is both welcoming and private. At the bow, a versatile sun lounge transforms from relaxation to conversation seating with smart storage beneath. A perfect retreat, day or night. The expansive flybridge defines open-air entertaining, a place to gather, dine, relax, and take in the journey from the best seat on board. With a wet bar, grill, refrigeration, forward sun lounge, and a welcoming aft dinette, this is where memories are made. The galley is designed to serve both interior and exterior living, with full-size appliances and storage that supports longer stays on board. Inside, the salon flows naturally from the cockpit through the fully opening door, keeping everyone connected. Opposing L-shaped seating brings everyone into the conversation, while the pivoting helm seat lets the captain be part of the moment. The helm blends advanced control with convenience, using dual 16-inch Garmin screens and full Volvo Penta IPS control, along with direct side deck access for confident docking and clear communication. Below deck, 3 refined staterooms and 2 heads offer the comforts of home on every journey. At the heart of it all, the single-level, full-beam owner suite creates a true private retreat. With large hull windows, generous closets and storage, and its own ensuite head featuring a separate shower and vanity, giving you space to unwind in complete privacy. A spacious VIP forward and a versatile third cabin with twin bunks and access to the dayhead gives guests and family their own comfortable space for overnight adventures. Below the deck, the engine room is designed for confidence and ease of ownership. Powered by twin Volvo Penta IPS 800 engines, 600 horsepower each, you'll find clean accessibility, thoughtful layout, and a remarkably spacious environment. Everything is clearly labeled with excellent maneuverability inside, making routine checks simple, ideal for owner-operators. And with the standard Seakeeper 6, you'll enjoy a stable, composed ride in a wide range of conditions. A yacht shouldn't just take you somewhere. It should elevate how you experience every moment along the way. And the journey begins with the 50 Fly. Discover the difference with Cruisers Yachts. Visit cruisersyachts.com today to step aboard the 50 Fly.